everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my favorite 2 juices for summer with mangoes. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Sowjanya. I make lot of videos on DIY, lifestyle, vlogs and some food related videos also. Please do check other videos in my channel. If you like them, please do consider subscribing. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Why?
ఇక్కడ నేను ఎటువంటి మెజర్మెంట్స్ రాయలేదు బికాస్ సమ్ లైక్ స్వీట్నెస్, సమ్ లైక్ సాల్టీ, సమ్ లైక్ juicy, some like pulpy. So choose according to your taste. That's why I didn't add any instructions for this video. So that's it for today's video. If you like them, please do try and share your experience in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.